Assalamu alaikum. I am grade 4 English literature teacher. Today we are going to revise the chapter number 7, A Wonderful Musician. So you will take out page number 53 and we are starting the chapter, revising the chapter once again. Make a title page of revision and write revision on the title page, and just go through page number 53 and 54 and just try to understand and find out that what have you read in this chapter, as I have explained before, and then you try to collect all the characters, all about the Orpheus character, that he lived in Greece a long time ago, and Orpheus was a wonderful musician, and when he played his lyre, all the birds stopped singing and listened to his music, and when he sang the nymphs and satyrs, they always come out of the wood, and fifthly, the Orpheus music was so good and so pleasant that everyone will forget their sad and wicked thoughts, and it made everyone feel happy and good. And more about Orpheus is that Orpheus had a wife that's called Eurydice, and thirdly, from the story you find out that Orpheus was a very brave person, because he wanted to go to the kingdom of the dead when his wife was died. So Eurydice, Orpheus had a wife that's called Eurydice, whom he loved very much. But while Eurydice was in the fields picking flowers for her husband, to surprise her husband, to put the flowers in her bedroom, a snake crawled and just bit her on her feet, and after that she fell dead. And then Orpheus took his wife to the home, but she was dead, and he picked up his lyre and tried to play, but the music was also showing his sorrow and was playing very sad, that even the rocks and the trees began to cry, but he couldn't help himself because he was very much sad. And now all the nymphs and satyrs also loved Eurydice very much, and they were feeling sorry for Orpheus. Now as Orpheus loved his wife Eurydice so much, so he could not bear his death, and so he wanted to go to the kingdom of the dead, which was a very dangerous thing to do, but he wanted to go. He wanted to die so that he could go to the kingdom of the dead. So he went to the river of the dead, where a boatman was sitting, and his job was to take the spirits of the dead across the river into the dark kingdom. So the boatman called Orpheus that he's looking for his boatman. Orpheus told the boatman that he's looking for his wife, so can he take him across the river? But the boatman said that this boat or this ferry is for the spirits of the dead. So now Orpheus had no other option. He started his lyre. The boatman also listened to his lyre, and tears ran in his eyes, and so he agreed to take Orpheus across the river to the kingdom of the dead. So till here, go through page number 53 and 54. So this is your homework. Go through it and learn the spellings. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.